Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to add and manage contacts in Grigora Mail. Grigora Mail provides a simple contact section to store and handle client or team details efficiently. Let's understand how to use it step by step. Go to Grigora Mail, then click Contacts at the bottom of the left sidebar to view all existing contacts. To add a new one, click Create Contact at the top right. This opens a pop-up form. Fill in all the details, name, email, company, role, country code, and contact number in the form, then click Create Contact at the bottom to save it. The new contact now appears in your list. To manage existing ones, look at the three options on the right: Send email, Edit, and Delete. Click Send email to compose and send a mail directly from there. For Edit Contact, click on Edit option and make your changes in the fields, then click Save Changes at the bottom to update. If no longer needed, click the Delete Contact icon. Confirm in the pop-up by clicking Delete to remove it. And that's how you add and manage contacts in Grigora Mail, saving new ones and handling them with Send, Edit, or Delete options. Practice this to keep your contacts organized. See you in the next one.